Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to rename all of the pictures for the customer, and I can actually do that right in Lightroom. I'm going to come to the library module, and under the metadata, I have these pre-built. We have some videos on metadata as well, but I'm going to select the correct metadata. For my file name, my way of naming the sessions is, I'm going to say family, and then I'm going to use, I use the customer's last name first, and then use their first name, and I just start at number 1, and I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to come back to the file name, and I'm just going to click copy, and then under the title, it's going to be the same thing. Next, I'm going to hit sync metadata and apply to selected. That's going to apply that to all the pictures and put them in numerical order. Next thing I'm going to do is just export those photos. I'm going to name the file the same name that I used. I'm going to use the folder name as the same name as the file. So I'm just going to, let me back up real quick. I'm going to export these at high resolution. I just want to come down and check my file and image settings. Nothing's selected, so that I know I'm on the highest resolution, because that's how I'm going to deliver that. I'm just going to click export, and now the photos are exported and they are ready for the customer. If you haven't did so already, click the subscribe button. That's going to keep you updated with all the new tutorials that we're going to be offering on the channel.